Guys, we just came to the shelter. I saw something very, very disturbing. This dog, this puppy has been skinned. And this mother dog is just laying next to it. The mother dog's laying next to it, and this guy's being skinned. I don't know if he's been skinned alive, but it smells terrible, guys. Wow. So, I don't know how this would have happened, if the puppy would have been killed here or...
Abi ben biliyorum, dün bu köpeği biz gömdük. Köpeği çıkarmış oradan, gittim şimdi kontrol ettim. Yavrusunu geri buraya getirmiş, gömdüğümüz yerden çıkarmış.
Nasıl yani?
Orada bak, gel göstereyim sana, arkaya gömmüştük, yavruyu geri getirmiş, başında yatıracak.
Alright guys, apparently what Issa's saying here is this puppy was dead yesterday and they buried the puppy, okay? They buried the puppy, and the place that they buried the puppy, the mother was laying there next to her puppy that has died. So let's go check it out, see if that's what it is.
Ellerini arka tarafına mı dönmek yoksa buradan mı gösteriyorsunuz ha? Bunu çıkar getirmiş buraya. Görkem'le birlikte gömdük ha.
Dün mü gömdün? It's terrible, guys. Wow, that's, you know what? If it's true what he's saying, then that mother dog would have bring that puppy there, because she was standing by, sitting next to that puppy, and she was licking it. So she would have been licking it so much that the skin, the hair would have came off to the skin.
Buraya gömmüştük işte. Bak tüyü de duruyor hatta.
Okay, so Lisa's claiming that he's buried the dog here, the puppy, the mum. You can see the fur. Bak, kılı görüyor musun orada, tüyü? You can see it's white. It's got its fur there. Okay, alright. Toprakta da var, bak burada. See his fur? The white fur? Okay, so now guys, we've got proof. We have proof that puppy, okay, that puppy belongs to that mother. That puppy died. So Issa has buried this puppy yesterday. The puppy would have died from a disease or something. And what would have happened is, because he's just telling me now that the mother was laying next to the puppy where it was being buried. I've actually got a video, okay, of a mother dog. This was years ago. I've got a video of a mother dog running after us and jumping on us while we were burying her puppies. So there are some mother dogs like that get really, really, really attached to their puppy and they don't want to leave him. So what's happened here is she has taken him out, okay, taken him out of there, bring him all the way back over there with all the other puppies, okay, acting like that puppy hasn't died. And the reason why he's probably got no fur and it's just skin is because she's been licking him and licking him and licking, or probably biting him, trying to clean him. Okay, that's what I'm trying to put two and two together. All right, look, that's the mother dog there. Look at her. Look how upset she looks. She is absolutely terrified, guys. She's been like, she's depressed. She doesn't look like she doesn't look happy at all. She looks really, 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 really depressed. So what we're gonna do is, guys, we're gonna have to bury this puppy somewhere else. Okay, this mother is obviously got psychological issues. She doesn't want to let go of her puppy. All right, she's gonna constantly keep bringing this puppy out, keep digging it out and bringing the puppy back here with all the other siblings. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give her some space. Okay, we're gonna leave. We're gonna give her some space. I want to see what she's going to do. I'm gonna bring that puppy over here, okay, and bury it over here, and we're gonna walk away. We're gonna drive off, but I'm gonna leave something like a camera rolling or something, and let's see what this mother dog does. Because if it is, I need to know. I need to know, because that's the storyline I've got in my head. But is that the storyline? Is that correct? I don't know. It's just all assumptions and experience. So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna get this puppy. We're gonna bury this puppy for the second time, okay? And we're gonna see if this is the actual case. Okay, so let's go. It's terrible, guys. Terrible, terrible, terrible. I can't believe what I've just what I've witnessed. There's no other dead puppies or anything like that here besides this guy. Of course, see all that? It's been literally skinned. I actually can't believe what's going on here. Okay, so she was sitting right here. We completely missed everything. Like we were doing the feed, we were doing everything, and I seen this last, and I'm like, what's going on here? It was just, wow. All right, okay, bro. Okay. No, don't touch.
Aynı yere gidiyoruz. Sami nerede? Orada.
Guys, this is like a 1 in a million situation. Stuff like this doesn't happen all the time. It's quite sad. It just makes me wonder, is that a dog or is that a person in a dog body? You know what I mean? It's just very, very emotional. See, very emotional mother. She's dug out her own dog. Alright guys, so we're just burying him now again, second time. This dog's being buried again for the second time. We're going to throw a lot of dirt on him this time. This is why it's important that we do a dog cemetery, guys. Dog cemetery is very, very important. Alright guys, we're going to monitor the mother, see if she comes back here. And if she does, we've got to take this puppy somewhere else, somewhere far. Okay, so we're going to use this bus, okay? The guys are going to scout in the bus. We're going to do the rest of the feed. One of the boys are going to stay here, scout and wait in there and record what's happening. All right, guys? waiting by. She's actually waiting by where it's been buried. This is, I've never seen this sort of behavior. We buried her puppy there, and she's taken the puppy now somewhere else. Okay, and now she's just laying where her puppy's been buried. So that's exactly where we've buried her puppy. I don't know what kind of spiritual belief she has, but it's a very, very sad, dramatic, bizarre situation. I've never seen anything like this ever in my life. Look, that's where she is. She's running away. So guys, we've come in here. I've made the boys scout in here, and that's where we've buried the puppy. Okay, so now we got to go find the puppy again, and this time we're going to take the puppy somewhere else and bury him somewhere else. I couldn't believe it. I wanted to see it from my own eyes, but when the boys told me that was her puppy that she's taken out and she's brought back into the shelter, and she's there nibbling away, licking, nibbling and biting. That's a psychological issue. That's beyond what I can imagine about these guys. These guys all have a different character, and they have unbelievable characteristics. They're all different, you know. So it's quite sad to see something like this. Look, she's coming back. She's just constantly, look. She's constantly going back and forward, guys. Back and forward. And she's just extremely attached to that one puppy. So she's constantly going and coming back. Look, she's come back. So she's constantly taking her puppy back into the woods. Now we got to go find her and bury her somewhere different. It's alright. Take a seat. It's alright. It's okay. It's alright. She's not even letting us get close, guys. She wasn't like this before. Okay. Alright, guys. That's it from us. That's enough for me for today. I'm in shock still. It's gonna take me time to process. It's actually very disturbing. It just makes me think and feel. These guys think and feel probably more than us, you know. It's gonna take a bit of time to process this, guys. Geldik.